Hi, I'm Caribbean Andy and I'm going to show you how I make cocktails at home. Today we're making an original recipe by me. I'm calling it the Honey Don't. This is basically, taking the template of a jungle bird cocktail and swapping out some of the ingredients to create something entirely new. Let's go for it. So I'm going to go ahead and build it in this pint glass so you can see the ingredients as I go along. Mezcal is going to be our base spirit, so the cocktail is going to have a little bit of smoke, but nothing too crazy. I don't like very smoky cocktails, so don't let that scare you away. And then we're going to be using Midori. Midori you probably recognize from your grandparents' house. It's a bright green liqueur. It's made with Japanese musk melons and is on the sweeter side. We'll do 3/4 ounces of that. Like I said, this is basically a play on a jungle bird. So we're swapping in Midori in place of the Campari, Mezcal in place of the rum, keeping the pineapple. We'll do 1 ounce and a few dribbles of pineapple juice. And we're going to use some lime juice for a little acidity to balance out the sweetness of the melon liqueur. Even though the Midori is a bit sweet, we're going to add a little bit of simple syrup just to add a little bit more viscosity and texture to our cocktail. And I don't know, I just like simple syrup. And we'll double strain over fresh ice. For our garnish, we'll do lemon peel and wrap it around like a little bow tie around some pineapple fronds. Isn't that great? It's like Slimer colored. It's like a little ecto cooler. Ah! I love it. It's bright without being too acidic. You do get some of the smoky flavors of the Mezcal. Vita is super great for cocktails. It's got that classic Mezcal characteristic, but it's nothing overwhelming. I think it's really nice and works really well with sweeter flavors and just all around. I don't know, what a wild little time. It's fun. It's tropical. I like it. You should make it at home. It was easy. See? That's the drink. Bye.